Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be decluttering and cleaning out some of my corners in my classroom. For those of you who do not know, I am an early childhood educator and I teach children between the ages of 3 to 5. Those are the children who will be going out into primary school or elementary school, wherever you may be. So this is their play area. This is where they do their dress up, their pretend tea parties. We have this is where we keep our props for our drama, our acting, where the children act out the story that we read for the month. And so this is where all of these things are. They also use those props to do their own dress up and so forth. So this is the corner that they love the most, and I can see why. There's a lot of toys here. So one of the things I'm gonna do is look for anything that is broken or no longer has use to discard them. Because they are so young, you cannot have certain things, broken things that can maybe give them a scratch or something of that sort. So I'm just looking for things like that and discard them, and just to make it a safer environment for these children. Yes, so after that I'm just gonna be sweeping off this area when I'm finished cleaning, and then I'll go on to the other corners. So this is the next corner that I'm cleaning. This is a corner that has board games, flashcards, puzzles. It is by far my favorite corner, because this corner is learning through play corner, and that is the children learning through play. Basically what it says, it is okay for once in a while for you to allow them to learn through play. It is important for them. Children love to play, so why not having them learn while they're playing? And these children, they love these games. They love doing puzzles, and we even have an animal domino where we love playing dominoes. It's just amazing to see how much they pick up when they're having fun and they're learning at the same time. And so we have just a varieties of puzzles and board games and flashcards, just to make learning a little bit interesting. And I'm not an old school teacher. I like to do learning in multiple different ways, and this is one of the ways that I like to do it in. So yeah, so I'm just wiping them off and just putting them back where they were. The flashcards need to be organized, however the children do go to them from time to time, so I'm just going to leave them there until I get the time to organize them properly. Now the next thing I'm doing is I am cleaning the arts and craft area and just making sure that it is looking good. And as I say, we use a lot of containers. Yeah, so We do have Play-Dohs and what's not for the arts and craft. We just keep them separately just so that the kids would not go in and make a mess of themselves. And they are free to do painting and what's not. It's just to be more cautious. So I'm just straightening these and putting them properly, and this is just where we just keep some of the toys so the children can have some easy access. These are battery operated. So this is like a countertop, and this is where I do most of my work to prepare for the children. My favorite book to read to them, and their favorite book, is Rasta Mouse and His Crucial Plan, and they also love these books. These are their favorite nap time books, and just keep them close for when it's nap time. So I'm just tidying them up and wiping off the countertop and just tidying up in general. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want more school cleaning videos or more school cleaning content. Thank you guys so much for all the views that I've received in the last videos. I really appreciate it. Doesn't matter how small it is, I appreciate people actually watching my content. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.